Hello, I'm Ishani and welcome to my stop. If you're hopping along Altenew's Thanks and Blessing video hop, welcome to your last stop. And if this is the first video, I'll encourage you to start from the beginning. That is the Altenew's channel linked in the description box below, because there are $200 worth prizes to be won. More about the giveaway a little later. Let's get ahead and see what I have for you. If you've had a chance to look at the gorgeous release of September, you would have come across this beautiful stamp set called Rose Tea. The designers have made such beautiful projects with the stamp. You can have a look on the Altenew blog for the examples and also on the product listing of the Altenew shop. One of the things that I love about Altenew stamps is that they add these beautiful ideas in the packaging itself that helps to kickstart planning our design. You may have come across these two cards that I had made as Altenew's guest designer for the blog hop that happened on 3rd September. I love this set because you get statement designs in one stamp set. I used this stamp and this from the set for my cards, and I plan to do a little variation of this card. Here I had done watercoloring and I plan to do some alcohol ink coloring with this gorgeous rose for my card today. I started stamping the beautiful rose on Nina Classic Restola white 110 pound paper with an alcohol ink friendly black ink. Then I stamped the same on a masking paper to create a mask for the rose and cut the mask just at the black lines of the portions where I want to put the leaves. I used a scrapped L-shaped piece of paper to position the cardstock and my leaf stamp when I stamp over the masked rose. And then it's time to do some coloring. For my coloring, I have chosen 3 to 4 colors of the same family, ranging from light to dark colors. If you're using Altenew alcohol markers, I would recommend using Altenew markers in green field colors, as they have the perfect light, mid and dark greens for a leaf like I'm coloring. I'm not a great colorist, so I'll speed up my coloring process and tell you a little about the giveaway. Altenew is giving away $25 gift certificate to 8 lucky winners, for which you have to leave a comment on the Altenew's video and on the videos of the designers who are in this hop list till 17th of September 2021. Altenew will draw randomly 8 winners and announce them on the Altenew's winner page on 18th September. I hope you'll hop along and wish you the best. After my leaves, I start my petals. You can use Altenew's artist markers in rose petal set. They're a combination of 4 markers in colors from light to dark, quite like the colors that I have for this rose. This is my first time as a guest at Altenew, and I'm so honored and thankful for this amazing opportunity that has been given to me. And I feel so blessed to be part of this fantastic video hop with the artists I admire so much. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I would love if you'd subscribe to my channel and share with me where you are from. I love how this community is without borders and so supportive and encouraging. After my coloring is done, I take one of the dies from the half-tone square die set and die cut my floral image so that a little of the flower is cut and also of the leaves, making a visual triangle of the cutout image. Then I take a dark blue cardstock, and to add more interest to my card, I decide to use this cool Geo Diamond 3D embossing folder, which is also a part of the September release. I take a little tape to adhere it on the folder so that it doesn't move. And here we have a beautifully textured colored cardstock. I had used similar darker blue cardstock for a card that I had showcased during the 3rd September blog hop and combined it with a floral thanks stamp and die set. And I love to add texture to my clean and simple cards, and using colored cardstock adds more drama in my opinion. For the sentiment, I have used a strip of the same blue cardstock. I use anti-static powder tool and stamp Happy Anniversary from the Vintage Roses stamp set and white heat emboss it. The supply list and the products that I have used for this card are given in the description box below. You can check them out there. To assemble my card, I take double-sided strong tape and adhere my embossed panel on a white colored card base and foam mount my die cut rose frame and also the sentiment. And here is a beautiful, clean and simple card with a lot of texture and beautiful coloring ready. I hope you like this card. Let me show you a little more of how I have used this stamp in some other examples. The same flower looks totally different when watercolored. For this card, I had gold heat embossed my flower and the leaf on watercolor paper and watercolored and die cut it. Another way to make a card when you're feeling very lazy and you don't want to color is stamping on a colored cardstock. Like on this card, I have used pink and teal color paper and stamped my images and gold heat embossed it and die cut. Very simple and quick way to get beautiful result of this gorgeous stamp set. I hope you enjoyed my cards and are inspired by the hop to make some beautiful cards with a thanks and blessings September release. The link to my blog, the ongoing giveaways happening in September, and the Altenew shop are given in the description box below. Hope you'll check them out. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.